Oh, hello. This is Sapphire, your regular tutor on ReadlyMe, JambMock. Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ReadlyMe JambMock if you have downloaded a Jam application software, CBT software developed by ReadlyMe. This is just to show you how to use it. The software is quite easy to use, but maybe you may need one or two directions. So I'm going to show you how to use JambMock on your application, on your software, on your computer. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is that when you install JambMock and you launch the application, you will see something like this. Alright, let me draw it closer so that you can see. This is the whole application. So you are supposed to enter your registration number or the number here before you begin. Now, before you start anything, first of all, you are supposed to register a candidate. And this is where you come here on file and then you click on new candidate form. This is the first thing you do after you have launched your application. So because when you register a candidate, you're telling them you are getting ready to sit for exams or do your training. So this is the window you have, and then here you write the number. Let's say the registration number for this candidate I'm going to use is 555, and if you want to pick a picture from your computer, you click this button to browse, and so that you can pick a picture from your computer. Though I don't want to use any picture, so I'll leave it there. So here you type the name, and let me use name Sapphire there. I'm male, of course. Then I'll click on next. So by default, the English language is chosen for you, and because when you're sitting for JAM examination, the English language is a compulsory subject that students are supposed to take. So you select your subject combination. So you have a list of subjects here to pick. And one thing you ought to understand is that JambMock is the only application that I know of that has all the 19 subjects that are usually 23 subjects that are involved in the JAM examination. So you can select your course here. You have let's check on biology. Well, this is a terrible combination. This is not really a combination, but I'm just giving an example. So you click on next. So the next thing here, you have to check your question year. Which year did you want to actually practice? Let's say 2013. I will check how many hours you want to practice. I want to use 3 hours 30 minutes. 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay, finish. Form completed successfully. So that was a good registration. So now that I've finished doing my registration, I can go ahead and start the exams, and then here I will enter the number, my registration number, which I registered the candidate before starting the practice. So I'll click on submit. Wow, there you are. So this is the button to start the test. Here is the number of the time that the test will last. And if you look at this place here, this is where the courses that I have selected that I want to practice. I want to have scheduled the tests that I want to go through. So here are the instructions that are needed. You read them carefully. Instructions are here. Let me bring it to the camera so you can see. Okay, so once you're finished reading everything, then you come back to and you select any of the courses that you want to start with. And once you select that, you click on start test. So now you have your test ready. See that? Oh, I see your test is ready. So you can begin writing your test. You look at the questions and then you begin. So that is just how to schedule a test using ReadlyMe JambMock.